Hello, in today's class I'll be teaching on how to crimp a Chelsea boots vamp, how to crimp it on a crimping board. So we've already cut out the pattern. So what you need to do is the first thing you do is to soak them inside the water. Soak them inside the water, all of them. Make sure you dip the leather inside the water very well so that the water will soak the leather. You need to leave it for about what I do is I leave my own I leave mine for about 30 minutes. Press it, let the water soak the leather, because what we want to achieve is to make the leather really soft so that we can be able to crimp crimp it on the crimping board. That's what we do. So we leave it for a while. So this is the crimping board. It's very simple. I had to wrap it with a nylon so that to protect the surface of my leather. So this is already crimped um, Chelsea boots. This is suede. This is already crimped one. So I'll be teaching you how to crimp your Chelsea boot just like this. It's very easy. You can do it yourself. So this is already crimped leather. See the way it comes out. The front of that vamp of Chelsea boots is well formed. This is how it comes out. So this is already crimped leather. Very easy. So when you crimp it and leave it to dry, it just comes out in this form. And I want to show you Chelsea boots that I have already made. So this is it. This is the Chelsea boots I've already made. It's very simple. So it took me a lot of time to know how to crimp this Chelsea boot, the vamp. So here we go. It's over 30 minutes. So I would bring out one of the leather, then squeeze out the water, squeeze it out. Then you now bring your crimping board. This is your crimping board. Then you start crimping. So just sit back and watch how I was able to crimp this leather. It's very simple. So first of all, you turn the face of the leather must be facing the crimping board. So it's the back that will be facing outside. Please take note. The front of the leather will be facing the crimping board while the back is facing outside. So just be attentive and look at how I was able to crimp this leather on the crimping board. Thank you for watching. So this is just how to crimp a Chelsea boot, the vamp. You can see the way it comes out. So it's very easy. It's what you can do yourself. It just took a while for me to get it, but it's very easy. I believe I've been able to show you how I was able to get it. Please, if you like the video, please subscribe. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, share the video. If you have any question, you can put it on the comment box. I will always answer. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.